If your household is like mine, where most mornings you have a little bit of coffee left at the bottom of the pot, and unfortunately a lot of times it goes down the drain. Well, welcome to the Silly Kitchen, where I am going to show you what to do with that bottom part of the coffee. Get yourself a fresh, clean ice cube tray and pour that exact mixture at the bottom of your coffee into your ice cube tray. What happens next is gonna be beautiful. After a couple hours, you should have an ice cube tray that looks like this with coffee in it. And you gotta work a little bit extra to get these babies out, because it's not just like ice cubes. But if you just work it, trust me, you'll get there. See? Boom. Summer days call for cold drinks, am I right? And a lot of the times in the afternoon, you know, it's hot, you're sweating, you're tired, you need a little pick-me-up for the rest of the day. This is where this comes into play. Okay, let me put this back in the freezer because this is gonna make a couple of drinks, and I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ice cubes for this size of glass. All right, right now it's just iced coffee, not iced coffee. Your options here are endless. You can add chocolate milk and make a mochaccino style drink. You can add caramel and milk. You can add just milk and cream, sweeteners. There are so many options of what you can do with this. My favorite, we're gonna add a little bit of milk. I'm gonna go about there because we want it nice and creamy. And I'm gonna give it a little bit of a mix right now just to kind of start getting the coffee and the milk to turn. So you can see it's looking not like white milk anymore, but like coffee milk. But that's not all, because summer is about fun. We also need a little bit of Baileys. Oh, it's a fresh bottle. A little bit of Baileys in our iced coffee. Now, if you want, you can measure 1 ounce, 1.5 ounces, so that, you know, your afternoon doesn't completely fly by. But we know the Silly Kitchen doesn't measure. Now, because your coffee is ice cubes, right now this is Baileys and milk on coffee ice cubes. So you do have to wait and stir a little bit as the coffee melts, because if you drink this right now with the straw, you are gonna be buzzed from the Baileys, not the coffee. So just, you know, hang out, do your thing, make lunch while this kind of dilutes into the milk, and you have yourself a perfect iced coffee. I hope this little summer hack is something that is new to you, because it was introduced to me recently and I wanted to share it with you. Thank you for stopping by to the Silly Kitchen. I hope you are having a wonderful day and a great start to the summer, and I hope you subscribe and come back to my channel soon. Till next time. Oh,